This countertop will never do. What about something like much better? Let me show you how to refinish boring and worn countertops using the Retique Countertop Kit. First, clean off countertops with a mixture of 1 part rubbing alcohol and 1 part water. Next, sand the countertops with a medium grit hand sander to give it a little bit of tooth. The first step in the Retique Countertop Kit is to apply a thin coat of the wooden primer using the Wonder Brush. Just make 1 coat of long strokes going in the direction that you want the grain to follow. It's okay if the original countertop goes through just a little bit. Give the primer 2 hours to dry before moving on to the next step. After the primer dries, you're going to move on to adding the grain to the countertop. You're going to do this by applying a thin coat of the wooden stain in plank-sized sections using a flat brush. While that's still wet, you're going to pull through the graining tool in each of those sections. The graining tool is what's making it look like actual wooden planks. I cannot believe how amazing it looks. This paint will not only make your countertops look like real wood, but also feel like real wood because the Retique paint contains over 60% of recycled wood fibers. The best part is, if you don't love how one portion of your countertops turned out, you can always go back over it and then re-drag the graining tool to make it the texture that you want. I like to mix up the small and large graining tool for both the sides and the countertops. Wow, what a difference, y'all, but we aren't done yet. After we let that dry the 2 hours, we're going to actually paint the countertops using the Retique wooden stain. We're going to do the same thing just over the grain this time, doing the same kind of strokes, long and smooth. You can do up to 3 coats of this, each one creating a darker finish. Y'all, these look like real wooden countertops. I cannot even get over it. But the last step is most important, sealing the countertops. The top coat is what's going to finish and protect your countertop from wear and tear. So apply thin layers of top coat with the Wonder Brush. I applied multiple coats, waiting 2 hours in between each coat. I could not be happier with how these countertops turned out. You would never know that they're not real wood because they look and feel so realistic, thanks to the Retique Countertop Kit. Not only was this countertop system super simple to use, but it was extremely affordable, and it gives the countertops a genuine wood finish. I'm absolutely in love. Let me know what y'all think of our new countertop makeover and what color we should paint the cabinets next.